Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have the September 2024 Curated Bead Box to share with you all today. In case you're not familiar, the Curated Bead Box is a monthly subscription of beads. Each box also contains a Findings starter kit, which makes it really handy. You can pretty much make pieces of jewelry directly out of the box just with some basic jewelry tools. It's $20 a month, and that includes shipping. I think they only ship in the United States though. I have a coupon code. It's Teresa35, and I'll put it on the screen here and in the description box below, along with a link to the page to sign up for the subscription if you're interested. The coupon will save you 35% off your first box if you sign up. So as you can see, the theme this month is Woodland Wonder. So I guess we're getting into fall now, which is fine with me. I love fall. So I'm going to pop it open here and we'll take a little peek, and then I'll sort everything out. Yeah, those are some pretty fall colors in there. So hold on and I'll get everything sorted out and I'll be back. Okay, I think I've got everything sorted out now. There's a lot of strands in the box this time. First I'm going to start with the Finding Starter Kit. It's in gold this time. It always alternates between silver and gold. We've got some elastic cording, some bead stringing wire, some memory wire, some head pins. Oh, well, I missed the crimp beads. Some head pins. These are crimp beads, not crimp tubes. Some fish hook ear wires. Some jump rings. And some lobster clasps. Like I said, that's just really handy. You can pretty much make pieces directly out of the box. Now first in the strands is an 8-inch strand of 10mm apple green marble style glass beads. And these are just a really pretty color of green. It's really pretty. And then next is a 8-inch strand of 10mm olive crackle glass beads. And those are just really pretty. I know I'm always saying it, but it just fascinates me how they get that crackle effect in there. It's just another really pretty color of green. And then next is an 8-inch strand of 10mm malachite gemstone beads. So that's really nice. Sometimes, occasionally, we get some gemstone beads in here. Those are really nice. And then next is an 8mm 10-inch strand of 8mm green/red duo gemstone style glass beads. So 8mm green/red duo gemstone style glass beads, and it's a 10-inch strand. And those are really pretty. They usually include these duo beads in pretty much every box. Those are really pretty. And then next is a 10-inch strand of 8mm brown/green crackle frosted duo glass beads. Those are really pretty. Love that they're frosted. Really, really pretty beads. And then next is a 10-inch strand of 8mm aqua/orange crackle frosted duo glass beads. So these are the same as those last ones, just a different color. Aqua/orange. Just real pretty fall colors. And then next is a 7 to 8 inch strand of 8mm green aventurine gemstone beads. So we got another strand of gemstone beads. Really pretty. And then next is a 7 to 8 inch strand of 8mm jasper gemstone beads. So several strands of gemstone beads in the box this time. So really pretty. That one's different. Of course, they're all a little different. That one's a lot different. Those are really pretty. And then last in the strands is a 10 inch strand of 6mm bronze drizzled glass beads. I don't know, it says bronze. It looks more orange to me, but there's a really pretty color. And then next is approximately 1 ounce Harvest Designer glass bead mix. And that's just really pretty. It's got all kinds of pretty crystals in there, different shapes, and some bicones, and just all kinds of pretty colors in there. Some flat beads. I know I always say it, but I just really enjoy playing around with mixes. And then next are some 10mm gold round iron beads. There are approximately 20 beads, and these have a really big hole. You could get a really big piece of leather through these. And then next are 8mm round silver filigree metal beads, approximately 40 beads. And I really like these. I love anything filigree. I don't know why, I just do. That's why you all see me use a lot of filigree bead caps. I just think it's pretty. Let's see if I can find the hole here. There we go. My camera focus. There we go. Those are really pretty. And then next are 8 14 by 10mm silver luster faceted bicone glass beads. So these are just really pretty. They've got all kinds of flashes of color in there. It's really, really, really pretty. It's really pretty beads. And then next are 2 62 by 32mm leaf silver metal pendants. And these are really, really pretty. I think that would be the back because the design at the top here is on the front there. They're very thin. They're just really, really pretty. I guess if you liked really big earrings, you can make a pair of earrings out of these. They're just really pretty. I really love these. And then the last thing I have is a 26 by 20mm leaf luster electroplated metal pendant. And that's just beautiful. That's the back. That's just really, really beautiful. And that's everything. So hold on, let me get this all together in one picture and I'll be back. Okay, there's everything that came in the September 2024 Curated Bead Box called Woodland Wonder. These are some pretty fall colors. We should be able to make some pretty fall jewelry with these beads. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description box below to the page to sign up for the subscription if you're interested. And that coupon code will save you 35% off your first box if you sign up. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested, along with a link to my Facebook, Instagram, and my email. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope y'all have a great day. Take care.